Hi everyone. Today we are dealing with the topic Viruddhahara, that is incompatible food, which is one of the main reasons for most of the diseases in Ayurveda. These food items increases the doshas but won't expel them out of our body. All of them become unsuitable or unhealthy for the body. So let's see which and all are the food items that we use in our day-to-day life without knowing its toxic effect. Ghee, clarified butter, when kept for more than 10 consecutive days in a bronze vessel. Here, we need to note the point we are keeping in a bronze vessel. It is poisonous. This combination is to be avoided as it is unwholesome. After eating radish, garlic, tulasi or basil, one should not consume milk because there is a risk of developing skin disorders, leprosy like conditions. So one should avoid these combination. Avoid eating raw and cooked foods together. That is, we are taking food along with the salad. It is not to be done. If you want to eat salad, eat it separately and provide a short gap, then go for processed food or cooked food. All sour substances are incompatible with milk. There is a question where we are using such combination. While the preparation of paneer, we are doing the same thing, so better to avoid such food items. After heating, one should not consume honey because it is poisonous. Again, a person suffering from heat exhaustion or sunstroke, the warm honey should not be consumed because it becomes more poisonous and even cause death. Pomegranate juice and grapefruit juice. Both are known to block the cytochrome P453A for enzyme systems in the intestine and increase the blood levels of many medications that you are taking. So better to avoid these two juices together. Tea and garlic. Tea contains anticoagulant compounds called coumarins when combined with the garlic, which is also having anti-clotting property. They may increase the risk of bleeding. So better to avoid tea and garlic together. Fish should not be taken along with milk. Why? Because there are two reasons. First one is the combination is abhishanti, which produce obstruction in various channels and also produce more moisture in the tissues. Second reason is that both having opposite potency. Fish being hot in potency and milk we know it is cold in potency. These opposite potencies cause great variation in the three doshas, thus imbalance in our body. Honey and ghee in equal quantity. Here the quantity is which matters. Otherwise we are using this combination in healing wounds and in many other preparations, and also as anupana we are using honey and ghee, but if we are taking it in an equal quantity it is a poisonous. Dadi. Curd should not be consumed in the night because curd is acidic in nature and it aggravates pitta and kapha doshas, which later on produces a lot of heat in the stomach. A curd is heavy, slow to digest and produce constipation. So it can be best digested at lunchtime. One can consume during lunch hours when the digestive power is more. Sweet and sour fruits should not be combined. For example, we are using it in a fruit salad or in many ice cream preparations. The fruits are combined without considering the taste. So the individual fruits should be eaten as such, as a different meal. It is good. High temperature cooking. Among the topic Viruddha, it is included in the type Samskara Viruddha. Here, the preparation or processing of the food is making it harmful. An advanced glycation end product AGE is formed external to our body while heating or cooking in high temperature. That is, it is produced exogenously and induce many pathological conditions in our body. For example, oxidative stress due to hyperglycemia in patients with diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and there is a risk of gestational diabetes and it reduces muscle function, and regular consumption of this types of food leads to age related diseases, and there is a role in Alzheimer's disease, cardiovascular disease, and in stroke. They form photosensitizers in the crystalline lens, which induce cataract development. Unripe, that is green tomatoes or potatoes, and alcohol. The unripe green tomatoes contain huge amount of solanine, which may interact with the alcohol, and we may feel more sedation if you take these two combinations together. Avoid consuming cold water immediately during or after a meal or a hot tea or coffee, because it's gonna reduce one's digestive capacity and there arises many digestive problems. Avoid consuming meat of animals of marshy and domestic region with marsha, that is black gram, and with honey, radish, milk, germinated grains, and jaggery, because it leads to deafness and even blindness, trembling and loss of intelligence, loss of voice and nasal voice, and even cause death. Avoid eating bananas with milk, for example in banana milkshake, because it can diminish Agni, change the intestinal flora producing excess toxins in the body. The combination may also cause cold, cough, and even produce allergies. Food, even though incompatible, do not produce disease in an individual, because the person is habituated to the intake of unwholesome drugs or diet, or if taken in small quantity, or taken by a person with a strong digestive power, or by a young person or an adult, or the one who have undergone oleation therapy, or the one with a strong physique due to regular physical exercise. How much food the person is taking, the whole energy is converted into the or utilized by the physical exercise. In such persons, the incompatibility of these diets does not show any effect or produce any disease. I hope this video helps to create an awareness and consciousness among people about incompatible food. So we should look incompatible food same as that of a poison and try to avoid these kinds of foods in our day-to-day life. If you are interested to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel and shows your interest in the form of likes and comments. Thank you.